This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing a square frame over the circle so each side just touches the curve. This gives you 4 contact points. Once positioned, hold the square steady and mark each contact point on the paper or object. Make sure the square is not rotated unpredictably. A consistent orientation preserves symmetry. This step establishes the reference geometry you will use next. You should have 4 clearly visible marks that correspond to where the circle meets the square edges. Once you have the 4 marks, draw straight lines connecting opposite contact points to form 2 diagonals. They should cross near the circle's center. If contact marks are uneven, instead construct perpendicular bisectors of the segments between opposite marks and extend them across the area. Use a straight edge and ruler for accuracy, and extend lines past the circle to make the intersection unambiguous. These intersecting lines leverage symmetry, which is why the crossing point identifies the intersection of those construction lines is your best point for the circle's center. You can confirm by placing a compass at that point and checking equal distance to multiple points on the circle. If the radii aren't equal, make small adjustments. Reposition the square, remark contacts, and redraw lines. If marks shifted while marking, start again. Precision in the first placement matters most. Once confirmed, darken the center point and, if needed, draw a clean radius to validate accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.